Hey folks, ever dreamed of earning six figures from home? Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world with just a laptop. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. And I'm here to tell you how you can make it your reality in just 5 days. Welcome to the 5-Day Freedom Hackers Challenge. Picture this. There's a massive unmet demand in the market. Big businesses are desperate for help and are willing to pay top dollar for it. This is where you come in. Let's talk about why online marketing is your golden ticket to financial freedom. First off, there's always an opportunity to profit. No prior skills needed, anyone can learn this fast. Unlike drop shipping or businesses that require inventory, you don't need to worry about warehousing or shipping products. All you need is a laptop, and you can work from anywhere. The beach, your living room, a cozy cafe, your office is wherever you want it to be. So, what's the catch? There isn't one. The 5-Day Freedom Hackers Challenge will teach you a proven online marketing system that generates the income you need without sacrificing the time you want for yourself and your family, all in just 5 days. If you're looking to ditch your 9-to-5 job, supplement your income with a flexible schedule, or even if you're a stay-at-home parent ready to get back to work without losing precious family time, this is for you. Already in marketing or freelancing? Perfect. This challenge will help you take control of your career. Set your own hours, your rates, and pick your clients. Retired or semi-retired, you can still make great money without going back to full-time work. You want more out of life, and having an in-demand skill paired with your own business is the key to the freedom you've been craving. The 5-Day Freedom Hackers Challenge was designed with you in mind. Make more money on your schedule. Click the link below to join the 5-Day Freedom Hackers Challenge. Register now and start the challenge for only $14. This is your chance to transform your life and achieve the freedom you've always dreamed of. Don't wait. Click the link, register, and start your journey to financial freedom today. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and join the 5-Day Freedom Hackers Challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.